Hello, my name is Adam. I'm 31 years old and I'm from Sweden. I'm here at Healthy Choice because I'm going to do a stem cell operations tomorrow. I first came in contact with Healthy Choice through YouTube. I saw a YouTube video of Dr. Udip and decided to go for a consultation. After the consultation, or during the consultation, I was explained that I was more suitable for a stem cell operation and for a hair transplant. And through being guided through how the procedure is and what kind of things is included, I was convinced to go for it. So tomorrow I'm having a stem cell operation, and in the next coming months I will also have some extra procedures done to complement this procedure. So I started losing my hair about 5 to 6 years ago, and it's mostly up on the crown. During the consultation, the doctor saw that I actually have a lot of baby hair left, even though it's almost a bald patch. But due to the thinning hair and not totally gone, it was better to do a stem cell operation to kind of save the hairs I have left instead of getting new ones in that place. So I'm excited to try, and hopefully it will be very good results in that procedure. Yeah.
नमस्ते, म डक्टर उदिप। मेरो पेसेन्ट मिस्टर एडम पर्सन हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँ स्टुडेन्टबाट आउनुभएको हो। उहाँको चाहिँ अलिकता हेयर लस, अलिकता पछाडि क्राउन एरियामा चाहिँ अलिकता बढी हेयर लस थियो। सो उहाँ एकदम कन्फ्युज हुनुभएको थियो कि ट्रान्सप्लान्ट गर्ने कि के गरेर यसलाई बचाउन सक्छ भनेर। आजकल कस्तो भने यस्तो केसलाई चाहिँ हामीले ट्रान्सप्लान्ट गर्न पर्दैन। तपाईको कपाल पातो भए पनि बाँकी छ भने अहिले यस्तो टेक्नोलोजी आइसक्यो बाहिर, हैन, जता हामीले चाहिँ यो अलिकता हेयर लस भएको एरियामा फेरि ब्याक टु अलिकता नर्मल ल्याउन सकिन्छ। पहिला जस्तो हुँदैन, तर धेरै रिकभर हुन्छ है। अनि अब फर्स्टमा चाहिँ मैले अब उहाँको अलिकता यहाँ सेभ गरेछु। यो ठाउँबाट हामीहरू अलिकता फ्याट ग्राफ्टहरू हामीलाई झिकेर अनि एउटा मेसिनमा हाल्नुपर्छ। त्यो मेसिनले चाहिँ अनि स्टेम सेल निकाल्छ है। यो प्रोसिजर अलमोस्ट 1 आवर 50 मिनट जतिको टाइम लाग्यो। अब त्यसमा हामीले के गर्यो भने चाहिँ उहाँको पछाडिको पार्टबाट हामीले अलिकता कपाल सेभ गरेर यहाँबाट हामीले पन्च गरेर उहाँको फ्याट ग्राफ्ट झिके। अनि त्यो झिकेर हामीले चाहिँ एउटा स्टेम सेल्सको एउटा सानो क्याप्सुल हुन्छ, त्यो भित्र हालेर हामीले त्यो मसिनमा हालेर मसिनले चाहिँ स्टेम सेल एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्छ। स्टेम सेल चाहिँ हामीले मसिनले एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्छ। अनि त्यो एक्सट्र्याक्सनलाई चाहिँ हामीले फेरि बाहिर निकालेर त्यो हामीले उहाँको जुन एरियामा एकदमै खाली थियो त्यहाँ पनि लगाइदिए, प्लस हामीले एन्टायर सबै ठाउँमा नै लगाइदिए। किनभने उहाँको यहाँ खाली भएपछि बिस्तारै यो खाली अलि धेरै हुँदै आउन सक्छ पछि भनेर। सो यहाँ खाली भएको ठाउँ त अब त्यो लगाएपछि कपाल आउँछ, तर बाँकी भएको जुन कपाल भएको ठाउँमा लगाइदियो भने पछि उहाँको त्यो नि खाली हुँदैन। सो प्रिभेन्टिभ पनि भयो एज वेल एज ट्रिटमेन्ट पनि भयो।
I came here at about 3:30 and we started with extracting blood from my left arm for the PRP. After that they washed my hair and took away a little bit of hair in back of my head there so they can do the punching for the stem cells. That they needed to do some anesthesia, local anesthesia for that, but I didn't feel that much at all. And then after that was extracted, it was time for the injections on the top of my skull. That was, to be honest, a little bit painful, but it only lasted for like 10-15 minutes or so. But now it's okay. Now I feel good and I'm very hopeful for seeing the results. Hello, I'm Adam, and it's now 2 months and 1 week since I did my stem cell procedure for my hair. My results at this point is I experienced some thickening of my hair, especially on the areas in the front, and also there are small new hairs growing on the bald spot on my crown. So I'm very pleased at this point and also hopeful for even further improvement. And yeah, I've been liking being here at Healthy Choice. I like the package deal with combined stem cell with 5 PRP sessions and 16 LLT sessions. I believe in it, and it's giving me results, so I'm happy at this point.